In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in Behance, ensuring that your payment details are correctly set up. On Behance means you can seamlessly receive payments for your creative work. So let's dive right into the process and make it as simple as possible for you. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Behance's homepage. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account to access the features we're going to go over. You need to begin at the For You section on Behance. Think of this page as your central hub, where you'll find personalized content and access to all your account features. Next, you'll want to locate your account icon on the top corner of the page. This icon is typically a profile picture or a generic silhouette if you haven't customized it yet. When you hover over this icon, it will trigger a drop-down menu with various options related to your account management. Click on the icon to reveal these options and prepare to navigate to the Settings area. Now, from the drop-down menu, look for an option that says Settings. Clicking this will direct you to a new page where you can adjust various aspects of your Behance profile and account. This section is the control center for your personal preferences on Behance, allowing you to update everything from privacy settings to payment information. Once you're in the Settings section, focus your attention on finding the payment settings. Behance works with payment platforms like PayPal and Stripe to handle transactions. You'll see an option labeled Connect to PayPal Stripe. This is the key step, where you'll connect your preferred payment method. Select this option to proceed to the next stage. After clicking Connect to PayPal Stripe, you'll be directed to a secure page. Here, follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate and link your PayPal or Stripe account to Behance. Ensure that your login credentials for these services are on hand, as you'll need them to successfully complete the connection. This step is crucial as it secures your payment setup and finalizes the ability for transactions to be processed efficiently. With these instructions, you should now have your payment method successfully connected. Remember, having a direct line for transactions not only simplifies your workflow, but also ensures you receive timely payments for your creative endeavors. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to Behance's support for assistance. And there you have it. It's as straightforward as that. Thank you for watching, and feel free to follow along with these steps to ensure everything's set up perfectly on your end. Happy creating!